How to use the Notes panel in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, the Notes panel is where you manage all your color grading adjustments in a very organized way. Each node acts like a separate layer where you can apply different corrections such as color changes, contrast, adjustment, or effects without affecting other nodes. This lets you keep your work flexible and non-destructive. To add a new node, you can right-click inside the panel and select Add Serial or simply press Alt plus S. Serial nodes are connected in sequence, so the output of one node flows into the next, allowing for step-by-step adjustment. If you want to combine effects or work with multiple corrections simultaneously, you can add parallel nodes or layer nodes for more complex workflows. Other node types like Add Outside or Add Serial Before help you customize how corrections are layered and blended. Inside each node, you can make specific adjustments such as changing exposure, tweaking color balance, or adding power windows for selective correction. The Nodes panel allows you to toggle each node on or off, making it easy to compare before and after effects quickly. Finally, nodes can be connected to create advanced effects like mask or keying, giving you precise control over your color grading. Learning to navigate the Nodes panel efficiently can greatly improve your workflow and enhance the final look of your videos. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Notes panel in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.